Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Fusion, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. After tapping on it, you will be transferred to this graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case, 29 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings. I've had also 5 unlocks and 7 notifications. If you want to check some further details, you can either tap inside this graph and it will transfer you to the dashboard where you can compare the screen time in particular days of the week. Under it you've got the list of apps which you've been using, and the other way is to tap on the specific app, so for example the settings in my case, and here you can easily check the dashboard, but this time only for this one app. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.